Grandpop daydreams while he gives a haircut. Firefighter Farah tells a folktale around the campfire. Did you spot the compound words? What are compound words? A compound word is a word that is made up of two or more different words. Different words are joined together to make a new word with a different meaning. In this sentence, haircut is a compound word. It's made up of the word hair and cut. When you join the two words together, you get one word that means the cut and style of hair. The word daydream is also a compound word. It's made up of the word day and dream. When you join the two words together, you get one word that means to dream during the day. In this sentence, firefighter is a compound word. It's made up of the word fire and fighter. Together, they form a word that means a person who fights fires. What are some compound words? I can think of a lot of compound words. When you stand on your hands, you're doing a handstand. If you stay out in the sun too long, you can get a sunburn. So you should wear sunblock. Sometimes there are rainstorms in the summer. There are compound words all around us. Playground, backpack, homework, and basketball are all compound words. A rattlesnake is a snake that has a rattle on its tail that it shakes. A woodpecker is a bird that pecks wood. A catfish is a fish that has feelers that look like cat whiskers. This is a special fish that has a big fin that looks like a sail. What do you think it's called? Right, Moby, it's a sailfish. What do you call a pot that's used to make tea? A teapot. What do you call a brush that you use to clean your teeth? A toothbrush. How can compound words help you when you read? Sometimes when I read, I get to a word that I don't know. Grandpop is a globetrotter. What does globetrotter mean? Break apart the word to help you figure it out. I know that a globe is a model of Earth, and when a horse trots, it jogs or runs slowly. So, a globetrotter must be someone who runs around the world and visits different places. Sometimes you can't figure out a compound word by breaking it apart. When you join the words butter and fly, you don't get a flying stick of butter. You get an insect with wings. When you join the words butter and fingers, you don't get fingers that are made out of butter. To figure out the meaning, make inferences and use what you know about the separate words. Butter is really greasy. I know that when things are greasy, they can be hard to hold. So, someone with butter fingers must drop things on accident, as if they have greasy fingers. If you're still not sure what a word means, you can always look up its definition in a dictionary. It's fun to look for compound words. We use a ton of them every day.